with Duro Dancing, and today we are going to learn Redneck Angel, and we're going to be dancing it out to Merry-Go-Round by the Jane Deere Girls. Now, the Redneck Angel dance is a country line dance staple, so that means that there are lots of songs that you're able to dance it to, so if you can find your own, go for it. The dance stays the same. All right, 16 counts. We're going to be going walls within walls. So it's a little bit tricky, so we're going to take our time and go nice and slow. I'm going to turn this direction so you can see just what my boots are doing. Okay, our first set of counts is we're going to start with our rocking mamba step. So we're going to take our right foot and we're going to bring it out, recover quick on our left, and cross. Okay, so we want to put all of our weight on that right foot, recover quick with the left, and cross. So let's put some counts behind that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2. Now we're going to do the same thing with our left. So we're going to bring our left out, put all of our weight on it quick, recover with the right, and cross. Okay, so let's take that from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4. So our left foot is crossed in front. Now here comes the first wall change. We're going to take our right foot and we're going to bring it out for 5. And as we do, we're going to make sure all of our weight's on that left or on that right, because now we're going to kick with the left. Okay? So let's do that from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, step 5, kick 6. And now we're going to do a left coaster. So our left foot's in the air. We're going to bring it back, recover with the right, and forward. So now our left foot is forward. Let's do that again, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, step 5, turn, kick, coaster 7, and 8. Okay, do it one more time, a little faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, step 5, kick 6, coaster 7, and 8. All right, good news is, last set of counts, probably the trickiest. So our left foot is forward. Now we're going to do shuffle steps starting with our right, and then we're going to shuffle step with our left. We're going to take our right foot, it's going to go 1 and 2, and then shuffle 3 and 4. Then we're going to take our right foot, and we're going to step and pivot and turn it. Okay? So let's do that with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, shuffle 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, pivot 6, and then we're going to take our right foot and step forward, and we're going to turn into our right shoulder. It's going to feel a little bit funky, but it's what you're supposed to do. So we're going to take a step forward with that right foot, and we're going to turn in for 7 and 8. And now we're facing at our next wall, and the dance starts over. So let's do that again, top of the second. Left foot forward, shuffling it out in 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, pivot 6, step, turn it 7, 8. A little fast, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So it is a full complete turn. We want to end up on the wall that was originally to our right. So let's go ahead and take it all the way from the top. Here we go, starting with the right foot in 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, kick 6, coaster 7 and 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So you want to make sure you're doing that full 60 turn. Let's go ahead, take it from the top, facing the new wall. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, kick 6, coaster 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So now you should be facing your back wall. Go ahead, take it from the top, starting with the right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, step, 5, kick, 6, coaster, 7 and 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right, last wall, here we go, starting with the right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, kick, 6, coaster, 7 and 8. Triple 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right, you've gone all the way around. If you're ready to dance it out, go ahead and click the link below.